Hello friend, welcome. This is our Eclipse project for Java chess. Okay, so in the last video, we deployed the 32 initial pieces on board. Okay, and we haven't tested yet. So this is test 2 string. Okay, so let's create another one like 2 string. Okay, so that's just instead of printing out the board, let's do assert. Okay, so the empty board we can assert like assert true. Okay, what is true? Our chess model dot to string dot contains. Yeah, before we do the reset will reset all the 32 pieces. Before we do that, here is empty, right? Here is empty, so we can verify that. Let's make a copy of that and change the 2 to 0, right? And let's run it. So click here and run again. Yeah, it passed, right? And if we assert this one again, after we reset the 32 pieces, then it will fail, right? Of course, because now it's not empty. Oh, it stopped there, so it means this line of code wasn't executed. But I need to make a copy of that, so let's try it again. So this time let's make a copy of this one. So it should be right after we deploy the pieces. It's like that. This time it will pass. Yeah, good. So we can create okay, so let's put our source code on the right. Okay, here, and double click this guy. This is our model, and drag this to the right. Yeah, like that. Oh, actually the test file is here. Okay, so we can create a test case for piece add. Okay, so let's do like add test void test piece add, like that. So we still need to create our chess model, right? Our game, and we can assert neo now, right? What is now? Chess mode dot piece at anyone like 0 0. Okay, bottom left corner. Now let's run the test here. There should be 2 test cases here. You see, test 2 string, test piece add. Now after we make the deployment, then if we assert now, it will fail, right? Let's see, run it. Yeah, this one, test the piece add, it failed, and we can see the failing message here, failure message here. You see here now, but it was, it's not now, it's not now. Okay, so how can we fix this test case? We can assert not now, right? Luckily there's a function assert not now, and run again. Yeah, it passed. And actually we can assert this guy is our white rook. Okay, so that's assert equal prayer dot white. So the actual thing is chess model dot piece at 00 dot prayer, right? And that's also verify its rank. Assert equal the rank is rank dot rook. The actual data is chess model dot piece at 00 dot rank. Okay, now let's run it again. Passed, right? Cool. Next, let's try to okay, let's go to the view thing here. We want to draw the pieces on board, right? And let's run it. Let's run the app itself, this guy. Okay, so we have two pieces, like fake pieces there. We'll do the real thing. So to draw a piece, where is our draw piece? Draw image. ChessView, paint children. Okay, so paint the children, draw image. Oh, we don't have like, okay, so we'll create our draw pieces here. Draw pieces, and we'll move these two here. Still hard-coded. Draw board, okay, and we need this guy here, so we can draw pieces passing G2. Okay, now yeah, let's stop it here. Okay, and run again. Nothing changed. Now draw pieces. We'll loop through all the 64 locations and try to find out if there's a piece there, right, in the specific column and the row. We'll draw the image. Otherwise, we'll skip it. Okay, so let's do a for loop here. For like, nope, we can do, I think this is good. For row int row start from 7. No, we can start from 0 row, and row less than 8, and row plus plus. Okay, now for the column, start from 0. We start from 0, and the column less than 8, column plus plus. Okay. Now here we want to find out the piece at the row and the column, right? So like chess piece chess piece equals to now we need the piece add service from our controller MVC, the C thing. We don't have that, and we'll define that thing here, an interface. So the interface is good for decouple things. Okay, decouple. So we don't talk with the controller directly. We'll communicate with it using our Java interface, new interface. We'll call it ChessDelegate. Okay, ChessDelegate. So here, this is the interface. So interface will define our signature of method without implementation body. We'll copy this one because we need this service. Piece add. Okay, like that. Copy and paste. That's it. So now we'll make our model here. No, controller. This guy. To implement this interface, ChessDelegate. Okay, no, extend, sorry, implement. Okay, ChessDelegate. Yeah, now the auto fix will add the add unimplemented method here. Save it. Save it. Okay. Is there? Okay. Try it again. Add unimplement. Okay. Cool. It's here. So pset return now. We still don't have a model here. Let's create one. So private chess model. Chess model here. Let's create one. Chess model like that, right? New. Okay. Now we can delegate. We can pass the job right down to our chess model dot pset. What is the warning thing? Create local chess. Oh, sorry. A typo here. Model piece at column row. Yeah, cool. So now we can get this one. We can get the piece from. We can call this function, right? This method from our view. But before that, we still need to define. Okay. We need to set the delegate. We need to define the delegate inside our view. So this is our view here, chess view. We need to put the definition, the declaration here. Private, this guy, and it's like that. But now it complains because this is a static function or method. So let's create an object of that. Let's define our constructor ChessController like that. This is our initializer or constructor. Then we can move everything to there, and inside here we can create a chess controller like that. And this time we have the panel, right? We create the panel here, and we can add our, let's go there, here, move it to the left model. Let's close this one. So we can define our instance property for the delegate. So chess delegate. So ChessDelegate. Yeah, that's it. So by default it's now. So now we can make it not now. Panel dot ChessDelegate equals this, because we, right, chess controller implement this interface, so we can, and we implement that method, right, piece add, so we can be the delegate of the panel. Now with this set we can call it. So here we can call ChessDelegate, not this one, ChessDelegate, this guy, dot piece add, right, colon and row. Cool. So now if P is not now, right, we can start to draw the image. I forgot the parentheses. In some programming language there's no such burden. Okay, so now if P is not, we can draw, we can call draw image, right? Draw image G2 colon and row image name. What is the image name? P dot image name, right? Let's see. Now we can comment out those two things and draw a piece. Okay, save it. It compiles and stop and run. Nothing. Yeah, because we haven't caught the reset of this model. So inside that, let's do it the first thing. Inside the initializer or constructor, we call chess model dot reset. So with deployment, right, we deploy all the 32 initial pieces. Now let's try it again. Hopefully. Okay, what is this one? It's upside down. Okay, I know why. Because this should go from 7 to 0, greater than 0, and minus. Now we'll fix the upside down thing. We can delete this one now. Very good. Okay, so let's double check the problem of the missing piece. It turned out that the missing white bishops was caused by the corrupted PNG file, this guy. So now I took the file and replaced this guy with the a good one. So you see, it's modified. This greater than sign means this file. I just replaced the old one. Now if we run it, it's here. okay, 2 of them using the same image file. Now let's commit this one so you guys won't get the bad image. Okay, so like that. So replaced corrupted white bishop image with a good one. Okay, so now go to the GitHub to grab the fixed image file. Okay, otherwise, but wait a minute, so it's interesting, the kind of a bad thing, the coded bad image could be, right, can be drawn, right, in Apple's system, but I don't know why Java doesn't like it. So I have to fix it somehow using the online tool to fix it. Then now it's okay for Java. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.